How to fix login errors on Chase mobile app. If you would like to fix the login errors on the Chase mobile banking application, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Now for this, basically all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically check if it's the issue with the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular, you can try to switch to Wi-Fi to see if that helps you. After that, the issue could be with the app. So what you want to do is simply go to your settings app, then simply go to the option called general, go to iPhone storage, and over here you want to simply search for the Chase mobile banking application and then find it. So tap on Chase mobile app, then just tap on offload and tap the offload and reinstall it to see if it helps you. You can also try to check for the latest updates through the app store over there, and after that, if it's still not working, chances are that your login details are incorrect. So you can open the Chase app and then instead tap on forgot username or password if you want to reset your mobile banking details. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your login error. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.